Hello, my name is Kristina King. I am a happily married mother of 4 and nana of 2. My youngest daughter attends school here at Summit Christian Academy. And just like you, I had some questions about the school and what was taught here. This year, I have the very fortunate blessing of teaching math and science high school level courses at Summit Christian Academy. My formal education includes an associate's degree in computers electronic technology and a bachelor's degree in individualized studies with an emphasis on engineering physics. While I was a student, I had out of this world experiences, and one of those included a NASA training program where research I conducted went to the International Space Station. You might see the poster hanging behind me here. Your students in the upper level science classes will learn how to conduct their own research. They will also learn different formats for presentations. They will be able to make posters just like this. And they will also learn public speaking, some rules of debate, and how to present funding requests because most research requires that these days. I want to talk to you a little bit about the curriculum that we use here and what your students might be experiencing. Most high school students start math courses with an algebra level credit. At Summit, our students are able to earn that algebra level high school credit during their 8th grade year. So they begin high school already having a math credit. Typically, that means in 9th grade, they are moving to geometry. Now in our geometry class here, the students build a portfolio. So each of these topics that they're learning, they're doing a hands-on application. They build their skills and their tools throughout the year, and their final, they will then use every component in that portfolio to present what they have learned before they finish up with Kite Wars. So at the end of every one of our math classes, we do a hands-on application because most students want to know what are they going to do with this. They then move to Algebra 2, which is our highest level computational math. Most of our programs here, their projects in this level course are going to be taught through Excel. So not only are they learning the higher level math, but they'll also have some basic Excel and Word skills that they'll be able to apply no matter what they go on to do. We also like to do a heavy dose of ACT prep at this level because most of those students are going to be taking that entrance exam. We also focus on the tools they're going to use. So they will be using the TI 83 and 84 calculator. Most college-bound students are going to need familiarity with that tool before they can go on. Our last year then they're conducting consumer math. Now we have a wide variety of topics because we're bridging everyday consumerism. These are our seniors and it's the last math they're going to have before they're responsible for their own income taxes. But we also want to give them the opportunity to show that they can support their community. This year we were able to do a coat drive through their clothing section, and one of their bigger projects is to participate in the stock market game run by Murray University. So they make a financial portfolio and are able to follow that before ultimately participating in a national essay contest, Invest Right, based on what they have learned in that stock market game. I want to talk to you for a minute about science because I learned math in order to be able to do science. Our freshmen are using the BJU curriculum that at physical science, we start off modeling God's world. We talk about simple machines, energy, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, electricity, magnetism, light and optics. Can you tell I'm a physics major, possibly? Then they move on to biology. I am so excited. This year we are offering an AP biology course at Summit. So whether your student is on the AP track or whether they're in the biology class, we're going to talk about the science of life, chemistry, genetics, biotechnology, cellular processes, how God's amazing universe and the wonders are meant here for us to find, not only so that we can be helpful contributors, but so that we can get closer in our relationship with God. Finally, we finish with chemistry. We talk about atomic bonds and structures, chemical composition, bases, But this level, their main project is going to be research of their own. I could talk to you about math and science all day long, and I would love to. But at this point, I encourage you to reach out so that we could talk in person. I look forward to answering any questions about high school math and science at Summit.